Okay, so I want to make another short video about ignition. This is again the designer mode, and we're using vision, right? So all the windows are in vision, not perspective. If you come up and you go to your project, all right, you have the ability to turn off comms, read, write. So if you cut off comms, you can easily see that that's what that does. If you do read only, you can see what that does. If you do read write, obviously that's a read write where you can influence stuff. So if you're testing and stuff like that, you also go to project properties. Now this is where it gets a little bit interesting, because you are allowed to come in here and say you're in launching right here, what kind of window you want to launch in. Full screen, do you want a window? Always choose to go full screen and then click apply. But when it comes down to like what do you want for like your general stuff, right? So you have your basic setup down here. You have your auditing for like auditing tools, permissions. You have your designer. Do you want a designer to start in COM read write, or do you want it to start in a different mode? Do you want it to start into COM off or COM read only? And then what is the time zone behavior? You can easily set the time zone and everything like that. So I just wanted to show you that real quick, because a lot of times what people think is they think that you automatically come up here and you would go to your project and you would select it right here. You can also go to right here, these three windows right here, turn off comms here. You can turn them back on read write or read only here, and then full access right here. So there's like multiple spots you can do it. But what I want to really kind of highlight is the fact of you can go to project properties and change this by default in the designer itself. There's a lot of powerful things you can do in here, and when it comes down to it, this is one of the factors that obviously that you can hinder. Like if you wanted to have somebody work on your system, they don't have to actually have read write access, although they can still gain the access if they want it. But what do you want them to start as, right? So with that said, hopefully you learned a lot from the video. We'll see you guys on the next one.